Artificial intelligence has been one of the major topics in modern day science, and everybody talks about it nowadays, even people with no knowledge of what the thing actually means. Thanks to very weird sci fi movies, artificial intelligence is portrayed as an all knowing, omnipotent thing that will someday overtake the earth and eradicate every single thing till there is no living human being on the planet anymore. But is that the case? Is artificial intelligence going to overtake humans in every aspect, starting from our jobs? For us to actually understand the whole thing, we need to start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? What does it actually mean? Well, at a very basic level, artificial intelligence simply means the simulations of human intelligence on machines. The ideal characteristics of artificial intelligence is the ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. A subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which simply refers to the concept that computer programs can automatically learn from and adapt to new data without being assisted by humans. Another subset of machine learning is deep learning. This simply enables the automatic learning through absorption of huge amounts of unstructured data such as text, images, or even videos. When people hear the term AI, the first thing that pops into their mind are robots. But that isn't always the case. In fact, AI is actually already in our lives more than you know, and they're not robots. Alexa, Google Voice, Siri are all artificial intelligence. AI isn't some futuristic thing, it's already here and we're using it every day. So now that you're fairly grounded as to what AI actually means and does, we can go back to the more present questions. Is artificial intelligence going to someday take all of our jobs and there will be no need for humans at the office anymore? Well, first of all, AI can only do so much. AI is used to automate repetitive tasks. Take, for example, would you rather have people working as Siri to directly answer your question and provide feedback? I mean, that would certainly provide more jobs for people, wouldn't it? But think about how tedious it's going to be answering millions of user requests every time. This is where AI comes into perspective. With AI, we can actually make the machine look for specific and precise feedback based on user requests millions of times a day without draining it in any way. That is what AI machines are for. They are not taking away your jobs, they are effectively automating tasks that is definitely going to prove difficult for humans, no matter how hardworking the person is. Besides, tech isn't the only sector. There are thousands of other sectors, example agriculture, entertainment, and that includes acting, singing, and even under those we have subcategories like sound engineers, light engineers, directing, and actual actors. AI can only help automate certain tasks in the entertainment field, not totally overtake it. I mean, how can you even picture an artificial intelligence robot singing to you at a concert? Wait, you just did, right? Yeah, looks pretty weird to me too. Would you even buy a ticket if you knew it was an AI performing? I guess the answer is no. There's a lot of things AI cannot overtake. Most people feel this way because media presents AI as an all-knowing being that can literally do anything. But the thing is, artificial intelligence is just a concept that allows machine to learn on its own. Fine, the most advanced of them all, they may have more processing capacity. They may be able to do awesome things like create music waveforms on their own and make even the most complex calculations in minutes. Still doesn't mean it will overtake everything. The earth isn't just about calculations, and there are a lot of things AI cannot overtake. They are here to supplement and assist humans, not end our entire species. Humans can never be like ants to AI machines. We can never be that dumb, and I think even actual scientists make the same mistake. They spread this kind of narrative that AI will someday outlast humans on Earth or anywhere else. But the fact is, AI will not outlast humans on Earth. Humans are pretty much the smallest creatures that are yet to ever exist. I mean, even though some of us don't act like it, take a look at our scientific progress over the last 100 years. We literally went from powering houses with lanterns to one of the most complex electricity systems ever made. We went from horses to really nice sports cars. We went from being stuck on Earth to being building the International Space Station and flying amazing rockets into space. Humans are pretty much powerful beings. Artificial intelligence can only supplement us in making better technology. Of course, there are quite a few bad and foolish people that would try to weaponize AI and try to use it to like steal data or destroy us, but do not fear. As long as we work together, humans can totally overcome every single thing that comes our way. If you doubt that, just take a look at how much we have come so far. Just 200,000 years ago, we were living like damn monkeys, for example, and now we are proven to be one of the smartest creatures that has yet to ever exist. Did you guys enjoy this episode? If you did, I bet you like some of the other stuff I'm about to put out. Consider subscribing with the notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.